So, welcome to a quick little walking tour of Eden. I'm staying here at the moment, so I'm going to give you a review of the place, and I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So, let's get across this road. I will pop you around and show you the pool area, reception area, restaurant, and I'll take you and show you my room. So, we're in Kuta. We're on the 12th of February. I have to think then for a minute. It's raining. We've had a bit of a monsoony thing happening over the last, not a monsoon, what do they call it here? Cyclone. Yeah, a bit of a cyclone thing going on. So it's been wet for the last few weeks. We're on the Golden 8.4, Booking.com 8.1. There you go. So it looks like from the walkthrough I've just done, hotel split into two sides. Just going to show you around this pool area here. Oh, looks very nice. So it's raining at the moment, so it's a shame. Otherwise, everyone would be out in the pool enjoying the sunshine. All the pool stats. So there you go. Let's take you to a restaurant, which is just located up these steps. So stay with me to the end, and I'll tell you how much I've paid. You might be very, very surprised. So let me go restaurant opening times. Restaurant's currently closed, but I'll just give you an overview of it. Hello.
Yes.
I just film.
Something for lunch?
No.
It's okay.
Not yet. I'm just doing a little video. That's okay.
It's okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, please. Be careful because they're still wet for
I know, yeah.
Yes.
So there's an outdoor thing behind these curtains here.
It's nice view there.
I'm not going to go because it's raining.
Please see that?
And we have the view here as well.
Yes, you can see the swimming pool.
Hello. We've got an outdoor canopy area here. And that's just overlooking the pool where we were downstairs. Okay. England. I'm walking very carefully. The floor is like glass. Okay, I'll take the other stairs and I'm going to walk you now through to my wing of the accommodation. Now you can walk behind these rooms, or as I'm going to take you now, I'm just going to walk in the rain. I'll just hang on my phone down so I don't get water on the lens. Hello. Okay, squeeze through this narrow little corridor. And this brings you out to second area. We've got ramps down here, so that's good for push chairs and wheel chairs and the like. And this is where I'm staying. For some reason they have upgraded me, I don't know why. I think that's my room there, and I've left the door open so I can get access to it. Long season, so yeah, they're doing a little bit of work to the rooms at the moment, which is fair enough. That might be why I got an upgrade. So I should imagine when it's busy here, the bar is stocked, so I can see drinks. I suppose it's just not open today because of the weather. Okay, let's give you a little room tour as well, why not? I think this is my room. Is it my room? Not my room, don't think, not sure. Or is it this one? Can't remember. I'll have this one. I'm gonna have to go back round and open it with a key card. Oh, I'm lost. So forgive me. I thought I'd left the back door open. Can we get through that way? Yeah, we can get through this way. Well, I've got my key card sorted. I do apologise, there's a bit of water on the lens. Here we go. That's my room. Oh, is it this one? No, next one. And that's my room. Oh. Very green. Oh, yeah, you can see the water on the lens. Did I leave the door open? No, I must have locked it. So that's my view from outside. Quite pleasant. The room itself has got some great aircon. It's really cool in here. Looks like we've got a little mini bar down here. We have a kettle, flat screen TV, PowerPoints near the bed, PowerPoints near the bed, PowerPoints over here next to the phone. There's extra key cards already in. Bathroom, lights, shower, standard shower, toilet, a very standard bathroom, nothing special there. And look in here. So we've got a safe and a safe with storage. Okay, so there you go. That's my little tour of Eden. I'm staying here for the next, possibly the next couple of days. I'm not sure yet. I've got to do a visa run tonight to Singapore. But yeah, so if you want to know how much I've paid for it, just a little bit of luxury, 18 English pounds. Now, this morning I was staying somewhere else. And the difference between this accommodation and where I've just stayed is just out of this world. So I think I've caught lucky on this one. So if you like this kind of content, little walk around tours, I do lots of them. Please do like and subscribe. Subscribing is free. It helps YouTube realise that people are interested in the stuff. If you know someone who's coming to Bali and you want to give a recommendation or share this video, think it might help them, please do. Okay, and I'll catch you on the next one.